On October 16, 2024, Orlando Airport Police responded to a bar disturbance involving customers who refused to leave after being cut off from alcohol. This incident raises critical questions about private property rights, lawful orders, and use of force under constitutional law.
Good, so kick him out.
And then your manager sees the shit and did nothing about it, that's an issue.
Right.
That is an issue. How you doing?
How you doing?
Officer?
How you doing? What's going
So
on?
I'm gonna explain the situation to you just like this. So before we left this establishment, we left here 2 hours ago. The person that was here 2 hours ago was this nice young lady here
Okay.
and this nice gentleman here. We returned to this establishment. We left out the airport like full. We went to the gas station. When we came back, neither one of these two people that we know these people, but another person, curly hair, she came out and she was like, "Oh, y'all too? Yeah, y'all done. That's it. It's a wrap." So we tried to figure out what's going on. Okay. Like, what happened?
When you say we, you mean you too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm like, what happened? She was like, "Oh no, you guys are cut off. You guys left your bags and all this and that." And I tried to explain to her, I tried to explain to the manager that we talked to the person that works here that allowed us to leave our stuff here. That's why our stuff was here.
What's going on? So pretty much the manager on duty here has her server over here serving gentlemen drinks for some time. They've been here quite a while. Apparently, from what the gentleman told me, they walked away, left their baggage laying around while the other bartender went on break. But before the bartender went on break, she informed the manager when the gentlemen come back on tomorrow, they've already had someone to drink. Okay. So, granted, my manager didn't handle it properly, so I got to retrain her how to have a situation like this. But he tried to explain to them that they were being cut off. Okay, so then they started getting unruly right with her as to why they can't keep being served. That they walked away. Apparently, I don't know how many hours, leaving their bags here. That's what I'm understanding. And that they feel that they're entitled to have more drinks.
Okay. So what would you want?
I just want them removed. What's up, man?
Just don't like people behind me.
Are you part of this?
Yeah, I'm part of
Have a
it.
seat. Okay.
No,
Have a seat.
I don't want people behind me.
Okay, have a seat. Because we're not done. We're still talking. That's it.
Yeah.
Have a seat.
No pushing.
I'm asking you nicely. No, we're gonna be friends. All right, we're gonna be friends. They're still talking, so I want you to.
I don't.
You don't want this anything that more important
I
than
don't want people fucking
Understand.
backing up behind me.
Okay. Well, I don't want.
Both of you guys are backing up behind me.
I do not want anybody. Understand? You understand that?
Why did you throw me down?
I didn't throw you down. I pushed your hand.
No, you threw me down?
No, I did not.
Why'd you do that?
I'm telling you to sit down.
Why'd you do that?
Okay? You're not gonna have a seat right there. Have a seat,
I'm not
man.
causing any problem.
Have a seat. I asked you 5 times. Have a seat.
Why'd you do that?
Have a seat. Now.
Before you eat the
Sit
brownie,
down.
have a
I
seat.
don't know why.
Okay.
Well, have a seat. Just sit down and relax. That's it. Tell you to sit down. Just sit down. That's it.
It's a lawful order, sir. I wasn't asking you out.
Sorry.
I'm telling
sorry.
you.
Sorry.
Hey.
Sorry.
We don't play around here.
Say what?
We don't play around here. When we tell you to do something, you gotta do
didn't
it.
do anything.
You weren't listening to him. He told you to sit 5 times.
He threw me down.
Yeah, he pushed you up against here because you weren't sitting. You're lucky you're not in jail right now.
Under Florida Statute 8 to 10.0-8, business owners can refuse service and request removal. The manager's request established legal authority for police action. The officer's repeated commands to sit raise an important question. Can police order your positioning under Pennsylvania versus Mimms? Yes. Officers conducting lawful investigations have authority to control positioning for officer safety. 5 verbal commands were given before physical intervention. Graham versus Connor established that force must be judged from the officer's perspective. 3 factors: crime severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. The officer used minimal force, a controlled push to seated position after warnings were ignored. This is objectively reasonable under Graham.
Look, no, he threw me down. So I'm as a lawful.
And you almost stumbled into
My arms are up in the air.
Okay, so relax. Have a seat.
Like I'm doing exactly what was being asked. But he threw me down.
Just relax right now.
I am.
Okay?
I am.
I do not want to take you to jail. But
I
relax.
don't want to go to jail.
Okay, relax. Listen and relax.
But I'm also not afraid to go to jail.
Okay, then
We ain't afraid to take you either.
we can work with that.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 11:05 in the morning.
In the morning?
Actually, yes, 11:05 in the morning. I actually don't really want to speak to you. I'd rather speak to him because you're an asshole. So please go back over there. Okay.
Okay, so the best
I'll face you. This squad over here can go back over there. So I'm sorry. I give you my ID.
Stop. Don't get in my space. Stop.
No, you were in my space. You were over there.
I'm right here, and I
Back over there.
And I can be right here. What's gonna happen? What's the problem?
I'm not threatening
What's
you.
gonna happen?
I'm not threatening
So
you.
what's gonna happen?
Don't try to.
So what's gonna happen?
Don't try to talk
Tell
me
me
to
what's gonna
threaten
happen,
me, bro.
So get out of my space. I'm right here. I can be
Actually,
here.
no. You just pushed me over here, so you just got in my
You
space.
backed into me.
No, but you just
So
pushed
you tell me
me.
what's gonna happen.
So I'm not telling you anything is
Let's
going
stop over here.
Again, so we're gonna walk over here. Go mind your business.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
I'm gonna talk to the gentleman.
Then walk over there.
That over here.
Then
So
walk
stay
over
the
there.
f- over there.
I can
Don't
be right
come
here
over
if I want.
Don't come over here.
Okay.
Don't come over here. Stay over there. Stay over there. Don't take
You're not
another
gonna
step.
Listen to me.
You're not gonna
Why
tell me
you
what to do.
stepping forward?
You're not gonna tell me
This
what to
got nothing to
Look
do
this
with
way.
you, bro.
Okay, look this way.
Step over there.
Let's figure this out. Okay? Moving forward, your flight's at 11 something tomorrow. You can't go through the gate until at least 3 hours prior, which means you can't go.
Which I do know that. I
Okay.
do know that.
So
and
the
that's
only
why
thing
I
they
said I've
want you to
been fine.
do, the only thing they want you to do is just to leave the establishment. You can go anywhere else, go take a nap, to do whatever you want. I would just suggest keep your stuff close by because we get a lot of thefts. Okay, just
Okay,
make sure
and
you got your
that's-
stuff with you.
That's what I'm trying to explain. Because again, when we left here, we were inside here.
I got you.
We were inside here. We spoke to this lady right here. I can tell you her name, Sandra. We spoke to Sandra. He's been here before. So he asked Sandra, we're going to go to the store. We're going to go to the gas station and get some smoke,
Right.
some cigarettes or whatever the case may be. Can I leave my stuff here? She said, yes, you can leave your stuff here. So I said, you sure? So I left my stuff here. We just returned. When we came and returned and we sat down, the lady with the gold hair, whatever, came out. Oh, nah. I don't even know this lady. I didn't do anything. You could, just like I told the manager or the owner, you guys could run the camera back. I didn't do anything wrong. I've been sitting here calm, cool, and collected. Bro, my mother just died and I just buried my mother. So this little big ass mother.
He's got nothing to do with your mom.
No, he got plenty to do with it because he keep walking up on me and telling me to push off. But either ways, when
So I understand your frustration. All I could do is, but what they told me, they just didn't want you sitting here because they already said you paid, everything was fine. They just wanted you to get out of the bar.
but that wasn't explained. If
No,
you
I
would've
understand.
said-
That's
if-
why I'm asking.
If you would have said that, then I would have had no problems getting up and leaving.
No, I didn't want to tell you that without understanding
not
your side of the story.
Not you.
Okay.
Not you.
We're talking about the manager.
I'm talking about them.
Oh, okay. Well, they didn't tell me everything. I didn't talk to them. They just don't want. They said you paid. Everything was fine. They just didn't want you here anymore. So the only thing you got to do is you can go anywhere else and relax and chill. You can, you can do
I'm
whatever
cool.
you want.
We was down to go.
Okay.
We was down to leave. But when the little bullshit ass manager, not the supervisor that called you,
Right.
the manager,
Okay.
when we kept trying to explain this shit to her,
Yeah.
she kept being nasty and getting nasty. And I'm sorry, that's why I could be black, but I don't like black people because they're ignorant as.
Okay.
And she was very ignorant. Not her. The little, if you can find her, the little gold, she got gold hair.
Okay, so
she
let's-
got blonde gold hair.
So let's
she
talk
was
about
very
this more
ignorant and
out of-
talk
out
to
of
us,
Yeah.
a different type of way.
Let's just get your stuff. We can go right out there if you want to. We don't have to go over.
Oh, I don't care. I just don't give a about that little pig ass mother.
Yes, sir. You're well, thank you.
These yours too?
No, that's not mine. That's not mine.
No, bro, there's no need, bro, to go back and forth. There's really no
Unfortunately,
need,
with this little,
bro, there's
I
no
do.
need, bro. I ain't even worried about you.
actually
So.
push me.
Are these his or not?
I'm really not.
These are
Let's go.
Are these your friends?
Let's go.
Are these your friends?
These are. I'm sorry. Niall.
Is that him? Are these yours?
Yeah, those are my bags.
Can he take them out for you?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm not gonna touch
What do you
your
touch
stuff.
stuff?
This is my phone. Get my stuff. But you're.
You won't do nothing here, so I ain't worried about it.
No, you won't do nothing.
Okay.
You got your little home.
As far as you, who took his ID? You ran his ID? Who
No,
ran his ID?
homeboy over there.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What do you want to do?
I don't know. This guy.
No, I'm asking because the only thing they wanted you guys to do is just to leave the bar.
Yeah, well,
So that can be handled very
yeah,
quick.
he's not my friend.
Huh? He said he was with you.
Yeah, well, we just met each other.
Okay, that's fine. So the manager just wants you guys out of the bar.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll leave.
Okay, that's
not
fine.
a
You can
problem.
go right over there if you want to. I just need you to get out of
I
here.
do want to press charges on this guy.
Okay. We can talk about that outside of the establishment. 'Cause that's what we're here to do.
I didn't do anything.
Are both of those yours?
Threw me down. Yeah.
Go ahead and get them, and then we'll talk about it. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Can I get your
Yeah.
name?
All right. Hey, man, listen. Everything was easy. Everything was easy. Let's just make this easy. Step
No, he
outside.
actually touched me. He actually touched
Okay,
me.
let's go outside. Let's go outside.
leave the property. You gotta leave the property.
I'm being nice about it, man. Come on.
I'm telling you, dog.
I just want his name.
This
I've
ain't
been trying to tell you. I've been trying to tell you. You gotta go.
Vargos.
Vargas, yes,
Vargos.
sir.
back inside.
Yes, sir.
Vargos.
Arrest.
Okay,
Okay.
but
gotta
I'm
go.
not inside.
Okay, you're
so I want
outside.
his name.
You're still gonna go
Vargos
Read, right?
Chevres.
You can read. There you go.
All right, there you go.
All right.
You walking up on me like you touched me.
sure.
I ain't touching
For sure.
nobody.
For
I'm
sure.
not doing nothing.
For sure.
You gotta
I'm not
go, bro.
doing
I'm telling
anything.
you, bro.
Again, you
gotta
touch
go.
me again.
You gotta go. All right, you gotta go. Yes, sir.
Have a good day. You're about to go for disorderly conduct.
I'm sorry, he touched me.
Just go.
Just go. Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. Go. Don't make it worse.
Tango 230, go on out with 222 in Orange County.
Have a nice day.
What happened? What happened here?
Tango
What happened here?
I think he's good now.
Yeah, but what
he
happened?
wouldn't-
Down.
What happened?
He didn't want to sit after being told 5 times.
Okay.
So he got
Yeah,
sacked.
and we have it on
Okay.
camera.
Is that all your stuff?
Threw me down.
Is that all yours? Your credit cards and all
I'm
that?
not gonna touch anything.
No, I'm asking if it's
Oh
yours.
boy, threw me down.
Okay, are those yours? Is that your
I'm
stuff?
not touching anything
Why do we gotta make this hard?
because you guys are attacking me.
I'm asking if that's your credit
Oh
card on the
boy,
floor.
attacked me.
Okay, get your stuff and let's go.
I'm not gonna touch a
Get your stuff and let's
gun.
go. Come on. Come on.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm not sure what's happening.
You have every opportunity.
Wow. Something so simple.
That's all my stuff on the floor. That's all my stuff on the floor.
That we gave you the opportunity to pick up, right?
I can't touch
All right,
it.
dude, let's go.
Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude.
Can you pick that
No,
stuff up?
let's go. Let's go.
No, but
I'm
can
resisting.
I'm not resisting. Can you pick up my stuff?
We're gonna get your room.
No, but can you pick up my
Yeah,
stuff?
we're gonna get your stuff.
We'll get it.
No, but I'm not doing anything. Guys, I'm not doing anything. You want to keep pushing me?
Stop playing around, bro.
I'm not
playing with you, bro.
I'm
Stop
not
walking
playing
around.
either.
Stop playing, bro. You over here not playing, bro. You don't listen.
With you, all right?
We walking, right?
To the car, or that's
Hey,
it.
man,
We're gonna
you
drag
gonna,
you to
you
the
gonna
car.
eat the ground, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, I'm
So
not
let's
a
keep it
fucking
walking.
problem.
Stop playing, bro.
I'm not a problem.
Stop
But
pushing. Stop
can I
pulling, and
get
stop
my
yanking.
stuff?
We got your stuff already.
We got
Where
your
is
bags
it?
with you.
If you're
Don't
not
worry about
understanding,
it.
you're
You
under
going to jail.
arrest.
Let's go.
I know.
Okay.
Care.
So we got
We're
your
not-
stuff.
We're not gonna keep
I'm
out
on your
playing.
team.
Okay, so
You're
let's
not.
keep
I
it walking.
literally am on your.
Why? We're not gonna keep out playing. Then.
I
Let's go.
know. Don't keep.
Let's go. I got it.
Nope. Glasses. It's not important. It's not important.
Hey, don't do all this pulling and yanking again. I'm turning you that way. You're gonna get in the back of that car and that's it. Get in the car.
It's on camera. We have it.
He's gonna go with you. It's
All
on
your
camera.
shit, all my shit's on camera.
Yep, everything.
Can you
Absolutely.
guys just loosen up these cuffs, though?
seriously, like,
They are pretty loose, but come on, step.
They're so tight, man. It's I'm not gonna cause any problems. I promise.
This is.
I'm not gonna cause any problems.
I mean, they're not coming off anyway, so.
I promise I won't cause any problems.
Where's your buddy? He abandoned you.
He's not my friend. That's the craziest part. I haven't done the goddamn thing.
I've seen you for like 4 hours walking with him, bro.
You have?
Yes. Been like 4 hours walking around with him.
4 hours.
Walking around with him, yep. And this one's pretty loose too. I don't know how much looser you want it.
Well, I don't want to be torn up anymore.
Well, it's already pretty loose as is.
Okay,
There, I just loosened it some more.
The
This
best
is
you
as
can
loose
do.
as I can do.
Okay.
Yep. They're already locked.
And can you grab my money?
Everything is in a bag. Come on, get in the car.
What do you mean back up?
Well, because my shit was.
Get in the car. Get in the car and we're gonna push you in the car, man. I'm done playing with you.
No, I'm on you guys' team.
Okay, so
man.
get in the car.
I'm working on it. Settle down. That's a team.
Good.
Am I good?
Yep. Come
This
through.
is fortune.
I don't know what to tell you.
I haven't done a goddamn thing.
All you have to do is leave the bar. That's it.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Florida Statute 843.0-2, resisting without violence, requires 3 elements. Officer executing lawful duty, defendant resisted, defendant knew it was an officer. All 3 elements are clearly established here. The Bodycam documents repeated non-compliance. Common misconception. Resisting doesn't require violence. Passive resistance, refusing to walk, pulling away, all constitute obstruction. De-escalation requires both parties. Officers attempted multiple resolutions, but Florida law doesn't require endless negotiation with non-compliant individuals. The subject's statement, "I haven't done anything," reflects fundamental misunderstanding. He trespassed after warning, refused lawful orders, and resisted arrest. Each decision point offered opportunity to prevent escalation. He chose resistance at every turn. Orlando Airport police officers received B+. Professional conduct, minimal force, good restraint. Could have articulated consequences more clearly. The subject receives D-. Repeated poor judgment, refusal to comply with lawful orders, failure to understand legal authority. Bar management receives C. Right to refuse service, but inconsistent staff communication created confusion. Critical lessons. For citizens, comply first, contest later. When told to leave private property, leave immediately. Arguing makes everything worse. For officers, clearly communicate consequences. State the choice, comply now or be arrested. Document your de-escalation attempts. For businesses, train staff consistently and know when to call police rather than escalate yourself. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction and courtroom content.